what's up team? I'm Ben, and this is your body pump tutorial. Now, we need some equipment, so let's grab whatever we have at home. We can start off with a light barbell and some light weights, and if you don't have a bar, no worries. Let's grab 2 free weight plates if we have those, or we can work with 2 drink bottles of equal weight, or 2 cans. Now, body pump is designed specifically to create what we call time under tension. Now, this is where we use high repetitions and lighter weights to get the most energy out of the body as possible. We create lean athletic muscle, we create muscular endurance, we feel stronger, we feel fitter, and let's just be honest, it feels great. So I reckon we should pick up our weights and get stuck into the work. So let's bend our knees, pick up our bars. We're gonna start off with our set position. So our feet are just underneath our hips, our toes are turned out slightly, our knees are soft, our core's engaged. We wanna lift up through our chest, and then let's roll our shoulders up, back, and down, and then find a little tension through our shoulder blades. And this is gonna create really good posture for the start of our workout. So our first movement is gonna be a deadlift. So follow me, we're gonna hinge at the hips, slide the bar down, stopping at the top of the knees, and then we're squeezing the glutes to stand back up into that set position. Hinging from the hips, sliding down, keeping the bar close to our body, and squeezing our glutes to come back into that set position. Now, as we tip down, we wanna make sure that our core stays really strong and engaged. Our back stays strong and flat. We just wanna relax the arms so the bar hangs in the middle part of the hand. Now, from this position, we wanna do the exact same things as we move into our dead row. So we hinge at the hips, stopping the bar just above the knees, but this time, we row the bar in towards the belly, release down to the knees, and then we come back into our set position. So as we row the bar in, try pulling the elbows in together and squeezing through the shoulder blades, and then feeling strong as we drive out of the bottom. Let's go one more time on that row. So tipping down, squeezing through the shoulder blades, and we should be able to start to feel the front of the body open up and reset. So let's bend our knees, place the bar down onto the ground. Quick shakeout. So those 2 movements that we've just completed are focusing on the back of the body. That's what's gonna really help lift our posture up. Now let's look at the squat. First, we wanna bend our knees and pick up our weight, clean the bar to the collarbone, then place it over on the meaty part of the back, brace our core as we take the bar up and over. Now, if you're not working with the bar, you can hold the weights in the front in a strong position with the chest lifted and the core engaged. Okay, we wanna come into our mid stance. So let's take the feet just outside the hips, turn the toes out, knees are soft. And then as we move down, we wanna shift the hips back and down until we hit 90 degrees at the bottom, and then drive out of the heels to stand straight back up. So we're sitting the hips back and down, keeping the chest lifted and the core strong as we move. Heels are down as we drive up. One more time, get a feel for it, staying strong. Heels down, chest is lifted. Big control out of the bottom of the move. So that's our squat. Let's bring the feet underneath the hips and let's take a long step back. And now we're gonna move into our lunge. So once again, if we're with the bar, pull it into the meaty part of the back, the elbows are forward, core's engaged, and our chest is lifted. So now that we're in a split pattern, we wanna make sure that our feet are hip width apart. Our front knee is pushed out, our hips and our shoulders are square, and we're guiding our back knee towards the floor until we create 90 degrees through both legs. A little bit of pressure into the front heel as we drive to stand up, keeping our hips and our shoulders square, keeping our core engaged the whole time, and I can really start to feel my balance working now. All right, one more time, step in. Let's go on the other leg. Big long step back on the opposite side. Reset the front knee, re-engage the core, lift the chest up again, square the hips and shoulders up on this side, and let's once again bend the back knee towards the floor, creating 90 degrees through both legs on this side. Now one side might feel really good, you might feel really strong and confident on one side, the other side might need a little bit of work. I think this might be my side that I need to work on a little bit more. Let's go one more time. Dropping back down towards the floor, big drive out of the front heel. Now, sometimes we might be moving with what we call a dynamic lunge. So feet start underneath the hip, we take a long step back, we drop the back knee towards the floor, we stand up, and then we step back in, bringing the feet underneath the hips. Now, we step the other leg back, long step back every time, drop down, push up, step in. Let's go one more time on each side. Big long step back every single time. Help keeps the movement safe and allows us to get into our range. and evenly distribute the load. Place the bar up and over, or place the weights down onto the ground. Quick shake off, quick release. Now let's try those movements in a masterclass setting.
Let's go. Let's find our set position. Bend your knees, pick up your barbell. When our feet just outside the hips, knees are bent, thumb distance from the hands to the thighs. Roll the shoulders up, back and down, and we are ready to go. Now draw the belly in, brace the abs hard. We are gonna start with a deadlift. So lock the arms. All right, here we go, deadlift, down for 2. 1, 2, up, 2. So we're just bringing the bar down to the knees. We're pushing the hips back. Spine is long. Slow it down. 3, 2, 1, and rise. So keep pushing the hips all the way back. All right, team, slow it down. All the way down, just to the knee, and then rise up. So what you're doing is pressing your bar in towards your thighs. Yes, slow row. Down to the knee, into the belly, back to the knee, open to set. Knees, belly, they're our targets. All right, team, we're gonna squeeze the shoulder blades. As you squeeze the shoulder blades, you're opening up your chest, right? Good job, back to strong set. Hold, all right, bars come up. Put a bar on the meaty part of the upper back. Set the feet just outside the hips. Toes are slightly turned out. We're gonna try our squat. Elbows forward. Here we go. 2, 2. 1, 2. Up, 2. So you can just ease into your squat. Hips sit back. Knees are tracking forward. All right, slow it down. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna try and get the full range. Butt just above the knee line. Yeah? The abs are on strong. Okay, slow. All the way down. You can do it. Pushing out, even weight in both feet. All right. Chest is high. You can hear it, right? Okay, we got a little combination. A 2, 2, and then 2 singles. Here we go. Down for 2. Now 2 pumps. We go down, up, 2, 2, 1, 2. 2 quick pumps. Yep. Do it again. 1, 2. Chest is high. So feel your core as you squat down. Good. 4 to go, team. Are you getting the range? Right down. You starting to feel your quads? Yes. All right, 2 more sets. 2 more sets. Down. Getting a sneaky little workout as well. Down and up. Down and up. 1 more. Quick ones. And hold. All right. Bars out. So bend your legs, put the bar down. Now let's pick up a small plate racket high on the collarbones. Take a long stride back. 2, 2 lunge. 1, 2, up, 2. So the back knee's tracking down, front knee's out. All right, hold up, hold, step in, change legs. So when we lunge, want to brace the abs super hard, keep everything square to the front, and we've got even weight in both legs. All right, hold, step in, back to the squat. Oh yeah, we know how to do these, come on, let's go. As your hips sit back and down, the chest is high. We're gonna lift the chest up into the plate. Feels good. Now there's one more exercise. Backward stepping lunge, slow. Step long, drop down, up. Now step in, switch legs. Long step back, drop down. How's that feel? So it's lots of core control. So the core is super strong. And now we're integrating the lower body with the upper body posture. Yeah, 2 more, long step. So try and get the front thigh parallel if you're ready. That's our full range. One more set, team. One more set. Stay with it. Long step. Drop it down. Control. Last one. Good job. Hey, we're gonna put our plate down, so always bend your knees, put it down, and we just do a little bit of rotation. Great work, everyone. Roll the shoulders out, shake the legs.
Well done, team. You just completed your body pump tutorial. And if you want some more information, head over to Les Mills Plus.